welcome back. We're making a quick pit stop at the house, just because when I got home, I received something that I'd like to show all of you. So we're going to quickly do this before we head off to the video. So I already opened it just to make sure that I got what I got, but so I got a card holder with business cards. So now I have business cards. So, without further ado, let's get back to the video. Hello, welcome back to the truck. Today we're going to be finishing the necklace with the pendant, and we're going to be putting them together. We're going to be cleaning these, cleaning this up a bit, and making the full necklace. Let's get started. Alright, so we're going to start by cleaning off this chain. Alright, so we're going to find all the seams, and we're going to sand them and file them. So I've got the chain on a dowel, and it's viced down, and we're going to take some sandpaper and we're going to keep sandpapering it down the line. Alright, now we're going to a lower grit and continuing. So apparently one of these links decided that it wanted to let go. That's alright. So we're just going to continue cleaning, and then when we put the pendant on, we're just going to put this back together. Okay, so now this is nice and clean. So now we're going to finish up the pendant and fix this link. Let's get this done. Alright, so I realized that the chain's not long enough. So I'm adding a few more links, and we'll solder and clean those up right now. Alright, so now that's all soldered up, we're gonna clean it just like we cleaned the other stuff, just very quickly. I'm just gonna pass through that and then we'll finish soldering this. Alright, so we're going to have that sit in the pickle for a little bit. The chain is now done. All I need to do is attach it to the other side of the pendant. Alright, so here it is. And there it is. This project came out really well. I really enjoyed it. I enjoyed getting back into making chain and making actual pieces of jewelry. So this I made a little bit longer, but I wanted to make sure that I could actually fit it over my head. But for right now, I believe that this project is done. Like I said, I really enjoyed this project. Well, I really enjoyed making this video, and I hope that you all enjoyed watching it. And I hope you learned some things. I know I did, especially trying to get the rings to solder right near where the stone is. All of this kept soaking up all of the heat from the solder area, so I needed to like quickly heat up just this one ring so that the rest of this wouldn't get affected. But unfortunately, that is it for this video. The sun's coming up, so that's my cue to go to bed. I think that's a pretty good cue. What do you guys think? Anyways, if you like this video, hit that like button, and if you really like this video, hit the subscribe button, and then you get notified whenever I put out a video. I put out a video about once a week, every Sunday, and I hope to see you all there, and have a wonderful evening.